Is it snowing outside? Yeah, look, it's snowing alright. Wanna go have some fun? Hey guys, Svenmeister here, rolling with the Shasta. Historic day in Texas. Snowing like a son of a bitch.
We're going to see the most widespread stuff start to push out of here over the next couple of hours. But still, the urgency is going to be there through the rest of tonight. I've seen some snowfall reports from up in Williamson County, some upwards of 5 inches. Not all confirmed reports, but if you have any reports that you could send in to us, please let us know. Those have been fascinating to watch through the day. The roadways in some places could be a bit of a mess. We have many slick spots out there right now.
Wanna go have some fun? It's time to go have some fun. Yeah, look, it's snowing alright.